Smiles have released feelings I never knew, sensations before